Okay, friends, welcome to this video on how to use my Canvas course. Okay, so my Canvas course looks a little bit different than yours, so I'm going to show you. When you open up Canvas on your iPads, your guys' dashboard, your courses will be a vertical block. So imagine Algebra 2 in here, and then your next course under it, and they go like that. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on the Algebra 2 and open it up. The first page you're going to come to is my home page. So the home page is based welcome, classroom, class times, and some other thing. You just scroll on the page and watch it. So the main things we're going to be looking at is home page and modules. Well, before we get to modules, announcements as well. So these are the three main pages you want to look at when you go to my thing. Anything below assignments is not to be worried about. There's also people over here. That just lists the people in my class. I don't know if you can see all the people that's participating, so I don't even know if people works, honestly. So if you click on the announcements page, each week teachers are required the list of things we're going to do for the week. So you just click the week, or I think you click this whole thing, and it should bring you up. All these buttons are hot buttons. And then you can look and see what we're doing for the week. Okay, the most important page and how I use this is the modules page. So important documents are stored up top. If you click the arrow, there will be a menu, drop-down menu. And from the drop-down menu, you can click on things. So this is where I keep my videos. All lessons in math class and my Algebra 2 class are on video. I have two YouTube channels, one for the school and my private one that's on videos. You're going to see posters. You're going to see grading, how to navigate Power School to see your grades and look at the assignments. That's all in here. The first days was just the first couple days, just slides about rules and stuff. There was one assignment in first days, a Delta Math assignment called Intro to Algebra 2. And if you click, you had to click the arrow to make it the arrow turn, and then these are drop-down menus. So once you click the drop-down menu, you will see every week, the day of the week, and the activity or assignment for the day. Now, most days, unless it's the first lesson in the unit, the first lesson in a unit will only be one lesson. Ninth grade math, Algebra 1 was a full year on block schedule, so teachers had a lot of time. I only have a semester. Once you leave the ninth grade, your math and science classes are semester long. We have you for a block, but we only have you for one semester. And I have to pack a lot of content into a semester. So we're going to look at what happens when you click block 1.2 notes. Okay, so block 1.2 notes. If you read the first line, it says it covers Unit 1, Lesson 2, and Lesson 3. So I have to cover 2 notes. You click the link below, load the notes into Notability. Now, the next thing on the page is called the cool down. What the cool down does is that is our assignment. I always leave assignments up for an entire week. You have an entire week to do the cool down. You want to do them as soon as possible. You click this link, you load it in Notability, and then you write on it and you load it back into Canvas. You can write on documents in Canvas. I've seen people do that. So if you want to do that, that's fine. Make sure you upload it back and click off assignment complete. Wherever it says assignment complete, and this one should change. There's an easier way to do it than looking through every assignment. Go to Power School and you can see the assignments and how they've been graded. This will take a long time if you're using the Canvas to look at all the assignments, if they were graded or not. Okay, some students like to use the assignments page exclusively. I guess other classes use this just for the assignments, but I use the modules page. The modules page is better because that's where the notes are, and I put the whole week up at a time. So you have the modules page is better, but some people like the assignments page to look at the assignments. So if you click the arrow again, you'll see a drop down menu and you will see these things. And as you can see, the assignments are available. I give you a week to do the assignments, hand them in. If you're having any trouble, come let me know, talk to me, email me. And that's how we handle my Canvas page. If you have any questions, email me or talk to me and I'll be happy to answer any questions.